Oh man, you guys, this is a freaking nightmare. This is kibble. Oh God. These containers, it slipped out of my hand. I'm on my way to a luncheon. Look at this. Look at this. My kitchen. Oh, man. Now I got to clean all this up, and I only have a little bit of time. And I really want to mop the floor before I go and vacuum. I just don't think I'm going to have enough time. Oh, this is just... Oh, God. This is just... Oh, man. Oh, geez. I'm feeling like overwhelmed. Where do I begin? This is such a bummer. Okay, wish me luck. Oy vey.